Ornithology is a fascinating field that has captured the attention of scientists, birdwatchers, and nature enthusiasts for centuries. It is the scientific study of birds, their behavior, ecology, evolution, and classification. Ornithologists are scientists who specialize in the study of birds and often work in academic institutions, research organizations, or government agencies. The history of ornithology can be traced back to ancient times when people began observing and studying birds. The Greek philosopher Aristotle, who lived in the 4th century BCE, was one of the earliest ornithologists. He wrote extensively about birds in his work, History of Animals, which included detailed descriptions of their behavior, habitats, and anatomy. In the centuries that followed, many other scholars and naturalists contributed to the study of birds, including Leonardo da Vinci, who made detailed drawings of bird anatomy, and John James Audubon, who is known for his famous book, The Birds of America. Today, ornithology is a highly specialized field that uses advanced technologies and techniques to study birds. Ornithologists use a variety of tools, including binoculars, telescopes, cameras, and sound recorders, to observe and document bird behavior. They also use molecular biology techniques to study the DNA of birds and analyze their genetic relationships. One of the main areas of study in ornithology is bird behavior. Ornithologists are interested in understanding how birds interact with each other and their environment, how they communicate, and how they find food and shelter. They also study the social behavior of birds, such as their mating rituals and the ways in which they raise their young. Another important area of study in ornithology is bird ecology. Ornithologists are interested in understanding how birds interact with their environment and how they are affected by environmental changes, such as climate change or habitat loss. They also study the roles that birds play in ecosystems, such as their role in pollination or seed dispersal. Evolution is also a key area of study in ornithology. Ornithologists are interested in understanding how birds have evolved over time, how they are related to each other, and how they have adapted to different environments. They also study the fossil record of birds to better understand their evolutionary history. Classification is another important aspect of ornithology. Ornithologists use various techniques to classify birds into different groups based on their physical characteristics, behavior, and evolutionary relationships. This helps them to better understand the diversity of bird species and to develop more effective conservation strategies. Ornithology has many practical applications, including conservation biology. Ornithologists work to protect and conserve bird populations and their habitats. They also study the effects of human activities, such as habitat destruction and climate change, on bird populations and develop strategies to mitigate these impacts. In addition to scientific research, ornithology also has a strong recreational and educational component. Birdwatching is a popular hobby around the world, and many people enjoy observing and learning about birds in their natural habitats. Ornithology also plays an important role in education, as it helps to foster an appreciation for the natural world and the importance of conservation. In conclusion, ornithology is a fascinating and diverse field that plays an important role in our understanding of birds and their place in the natural world. Ornithologists use a variety of techniques and tools to study bird behavior, ecology, evolution, and classification, and their work has many practical applications, including conservation biology. Whether you are a scientist, birdwatcher, or nature enthusiast, ornithology offers a wealth of opportunities for learning and discovery.